Hey guys, I am going to show you real quick how to do a focus blend. This is one that my daughter uses every day. We homeschool, so it's just really helpful. I can't talk about disease or anything like that, or specific medical conditions, but if your kids have trouble focusing, sitting still, they're just kind of all over the place, this is just a great blend to have. I usually make it the same way every time. And then this time I'm actually going to add a little bit extra to it. So first you're going to take this is our roller ball. We just have a roller ball on top. So basically it's just an empty bottle, and then I get the roller balls from Young Living because they pop on and off and I can reuse, which is awesome. I've got lavender first. I'm going to do 5 drops of lavender. And I dilute about 1/4, so there's basically like 85 to 90 drops in the whole bottle. So I'm going to do about 20 drops of oil. That would be like the max for kids I would do that's necessary. It really doesn't take a lot of essential oil. The next one is cedarwood. So we've got lavender and cedarwood. Basically what these oils do are they calm, so if your kids need help calming, and then they help the brain just focus, so it gives clarity. It's just great. And I actually just realized, so this one oil, before you guys laugh, this is vetiver. Vetiver is a very thick oil, so you have to warm it up. When I have oils like that, I just stick them in my bra. Sorry if there's any guys watching. And then it comes out way easier. So I'm going to take 5 drops of vetiver, and it'll still come out a little slow, but it definitely helps. Vetiver is a really, really amazing oil. Anytime you need anything going on with your brain, just focusing, just kind of clarifying anything, vetiver is really good. And then I'm also going to add, Young Living has a kids oil called Genius. They actually have a whole kids line, but Genius is really awesome because it's really just for school, for focus. I know it's getting close to the end of the year, but if you homeschool like me, then you're going to be doing school pretty much all year. So then I'm going to do about 5 drops of this. I usually only do the other 3 oils in my focus blend, and then she has a little inhaler with this, but the inhaler keeps getting lost, so I figured I would just add this and make it easier. So again, it's lavender, cedarwood, vetiver, and then Genius. If you don't have the Genius, these 3 will work really good just on their own. It really helps kids focus, even if you're an adult, if you need help focusing and just sitting still. If mine doesn't use it, she's over here doing this or jumping up and down. Not that it's not good for kids to do that, but sometimes you just need to focus. And it really just helps emotionally, so they don't feel like their brain is all over the place and they just can't do anything right. It just really helps them feel grounded and be able to work on what they're working on. Then all you're going to do after you put the essential oils in is fill it with a carrier oil. You can basically use like avocado oil, you can use almond oil. I really like this Young Living V6. It's a blend of a couple different ones. It's got some olive oil, some grapeseed oil, some almond oil. It's a pump top, so it's super easy. It just fits right into the bottle, and then I'm just going to fill it up. Oops. Okay, fill it up the rest of the way. And then the roller balls are super easy. You actually get one if you have if you've gotten your starter kit, you get a free one in there. So you just put it in, set it in, and when you twist the lid on tight, it actually pops it in. So that's it. So basically what she does every day is she just rolls it right here, like usually on the front of her wrist or her arm, and rub it in. You can also put it right on the back of your neck or right behind your ears. I usually just tell her, she kind of knows the spots and she puts it where she feels like she needs it. So it's a really, really good tool to have if you're sending your kids to school and they just need help kind of getting in the moment and staying focused. So I hope that helps you guys and you have a good blend for your kids to use for next year. Bye.